seen the wide Mississippi, I swam the Rio Grande, even held the mud of the Concho River right in my hand. Every time I see that river, there's a crossing I'm gonna make. Don't need to be on the other side, I'm crossing for crossing's sake. You can come along with me, that's a chance you might want to take. We'll go along singing a song, singing for singing's sake. There's a mountain way up north, oh it's so high and it's so steep. The sides are strewn with boulders, there's snow upon the peak. Every time I see that mountain, there's a climb I'm gonna take. Don't need to be up on the top, I'm climbing for climbing's sake. You can come along with me, if that's the thing you might like to do. Go along singing a song, humming some old piece of blues. Life is much too short to take serious, that ain't gonna be my mistake. Go along singing a song, singing for singing's sake. We'll go along singing a song, singing for singing's sake. There's time for love and laughter, the days will pass like summer storms. Winter wind come blowing after, we need a fire, love is warm. And there's a time when we must wander, when time is young and so are we. When grass is greener over yonder, the trail is fresh, the wind blows free. There's a time when leaves are falling, the trees are gray and paths are old. Winter comes when geese are calling, we need a fire against the cold. And there's a time for us to wander, when time is young and so are we. When grass is greener over yonder, the trail is fresh, the wind blows free. So do your wandering in the springtime, find your love in the summer sun. The autumn winds, they bring the harvest, you can sleep when work is done. And there's a time when we must wander, when time is young and so are we. The grass is greener over yonder, the trail is fresh, the wind blows free. The trail is fresh, the wind blows free. I'll be home for Christmas count on me. Let there be snow and mistletoe and presents on the tree. Christmas Eve will find me where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams.